have lots of tension on. I'll show you why. Because we're going to use this for balance now. You're going to place your elbows underneath the stick and hold the stick against your body. We're going to sweep the right leg across the body. Now when we do this, I want you to turn your toe out so you're leading across the body with your heel. Yeah, with your heel. So your heel's going to go across. Keep the stick stable on your torso. Get ready. We're lifting that leg up. And here we go. Take it over. I was listening for that buzzer. Where's the buzzer? Where's the buzzer? Now, balance might not be something that you're really strong at just yet. It's okay. And if you find that your balance is awful, allow your foot to just gently tap the floor. But see if you can do one without touching the floor. And then see if you can do two without touching the floor. Or three. Lost my balance a few times with this one. Good, last one, and release. Now, hold on to the stick. This is going to challenge you further. Hands wide, and as the right leg comes across your body, you're going to push that stick across to the right, bend the left elbow to get the stick to go over there. Here we go. Take it over and release. So what you'll feel is that you'll get more inner thigh activation. So the previous exercise, we went a lot through the front of the thigh, right? Thigh, buttocks, as we did that squatting pattern. But now we're just focusing on the inner thigh. Now it's not just the right inner thigh that's working right now. Can you feel your left inner thigh working as the foot goes across? Last one, and release. So what we'll do is keep the hands in this position, flip the elbows under, and we're going to take the stick above the head as the right leg goes across the body. Ready? Stick underneath your chin. Here we go. Take it up and down. So breathe out as you lengthen the arms up above your head. So fully straighten out the arms. Now, make sure that you maintain your balance. Lead across your body with your heel, keeping your toe turned out. There we go. It's hard. I know. Make sure you've got plenty of tension. So that you can maintain your balance. The tension helps with your balance and relax. Well done. So adding tension again. Elbows go under. Stick underneath your elbows. We've got the left foot now off the floor. Turn your foot out. Lead with your heel. So your heel is going to sweep across your body. Are we ready? Here we go. Take it over and out. Good. So sweep it across, open out to the side. Keep the torso as stable as you possibly can. There you go. Good. So take it over and out. Oh, use your inner thigh on that left leg. Can you feel your inner thigh working? Yep. And you probably feel your right inner thigh work as the left leg crosses over and relax. Alright, so now holding onto the stick with hands, wide grip, you're pushing the stick across to the left, bend the right elbow to get the stick to go over there. Ready? Take it across. Now, a common little error is people pull a stick up. I want you to sort of like shove the stick straight across. And what you'll find is your abdominals and your core muscles, they switch on. And I didn't even ask you to do anything particular. It just so happens automatically when you do an exercise like this. It's really good. You feel your abdominals working? Yep. And relax. So done. So flip the elbows under from the chin. We're now going to press the arms up above the head. Ready? From the chin, here we go. So our left leg up off the floor. Alright, take it across. Lift the arms all the way up. Very good. Now breathe out as you take the arms up. Good job. Lift and release. Maintain that balance. Spread your toes out. Now, if you like, you can also do this without shoes on. Yep, you can definitely do it without shoes on. When I teach my Zoom classes, I keep my footwear off. It took me a while to get used to it, but now it's great. And relax. Well